Part A, question 1. Madam Rohaya wishes to invest his money in a fixed deposit account. She has two options, Bank A and Bank B. The interest rate for Bank A is 5.5% compounded quarterly, and for the Bank B is 5.2% compounded monthly. Question A. In which bank will you suggest Madam Rohaya invest her 10,000 ringgit for 3 years? Give your reason and show your workings. This is the answer. This type of question must do a comparison between Bank A and Bank B. The formula we use is S equal to P in bracket 1 plus I the power of N. P is 10,000 ringgit, I is K divided by M, so 0.055 divided by 4. For the N equal to 4 multiplied with 3 equal to 12. So let's calculate the answer. 10,000 ringgit in bracket 1 plus 0.055 divided by 4 the power of 12. So 0.055 divided by 4 plus 1 the power of 12 multiplied with 10,000 ringgit. So we got the answer 11,780 ringgit 68 cents. For the Bank B, use the same formula. P is 10,000 ringgit, I equal to 0.052 divided by 12. And for the N is 12 multiplied with 3 equal to 36. So 10,000 ringgit in bracket 1 plus 0.052 the power of 36. 0.052 divided by 12 plus 1 the power of 36 multiplied with 10,000 ringgit. The answer is 11,684 ringgit 32 cents. The last answer is Madam Rohaya should invest in Bank A because it gives a higher future value. Question B. If Madam Rohaya invests 30,000 ringgit in Bank A for 5 years and 6 months, what is the amount of interest obtained when the investment period ends? Formula that we use is S equal to P in bracket 1 plus I the power of N. P is 30,000 ringgit, I equal to 0.055 divided by 4. N equal to 4 multiplied with 5.5. So 30,000 in bracket 1 plus 0.055 divided by 4 the power of 22. 0.055 divided by 4 plus 1 the power of 22 multiplied with 30,000 ringgit. The answer is 17,555 ringgit 87 cents. After calculate the answer of S, find the interest value. Use formula I equal to S minus P. So 17,555 ringgit 87 cents minus 30,000. The answer is 4,555 ringgit 87 cents.
Hi and Assalamualaikum. My name is Tun Syazwahanis binti Tun Azmi and I'm from class D. So now I want to discuss about question part A for C and D. So question for C is Madam Rohaya wants to have RM 28,000 in 4.5 years. She is interested in investing in Bank B. How much should she start with? So from this question, we need to know that the total amount she wants later is RM 28,000, means it is S, and 4.5 years is time. So Madam Rohaya said that she wants investing in Bank B, and Bank B show that it gives interest rate 5.2% compounded monthly, means that 5.2% is K for interest rate equal to 0.052, and M is 12 because it's a compounded monthly. So we have 3 steps to solve this question. First, step 1, we need to calculate total periods. So N is equal to 12 multiply 4.5 because N equal to MT. M is compounded and T is times. So the answer for N is 45. Step 2, we need to find the formula for this question. So the formula for this question is S equal to P bracket 1 plus I bracket the power of N. And step 3, substitute the values. So it will be RM 28,000 equal to P bracket 1 plus 0.052 divide 12 bracket the power of 55. After calculating, the P will be RM 22,169 and 34 cents. So for conclusion, Madam Rohaya needs to invest RM 22,169 ringgit 34 cents. Now to have RM 28,000 in 4.5 years. Next, question D. So question D is Madam Rohaya wishes to invest RM 28,000 in Bank A. Her target is to accumulate RM 60,500 by the end of the maturity period. How long should she wait to reach that amount? So after read this question, we need to know that the starting amount is 28,000. It means that it is P, and S is RM 60,500. And for K and M, it is 5.5%. For K and M is 4 because she wants to invest in Bank A. So for this question, we have 3 steps. Step 1 is use the formula. So the formula for compound interest is S equal to P bracket 1 plus I bracket the power of N. We need to substitute N to 40 because formula N equal to MT, and we already know M is 4. We only need to find the T. So let's jump to the step 2. Simplify. So it will be RM 60,500 equal to RM 28,000 bracket 1 plus 0.055 divide 4 bracket the power of 40. So next we need to solve what we can solve. So RM 60,500 will be divided to RM 28,000 and it will be RM 2.160714286 equal to 1.1375 and the power of 40. How we get 1.01375 is because we solve the equation inside the bracket that 1 plus 0.055 divide 4. Then we will take the logarithm and it will be log 2.160714286 equal to 40 log 1.01375. Then we will take the log 1.01375 to divide with log 2.160714286 and it will be 56.41625938 equal to 40. So step 3, we need to solve for t. So 56.41625938 will be divided with 4 and we will get t equal to 14.1040684. So because t is time, we need to give the answer in years. So it will be t approximately equal to 14.1 years.
Hi and Assalamualaikum. My name is Nur Azwafi and I am from class 1D. So now I want to discuss about question part B for A. So the question is, X Bank offers a personal loan of 30,000 ringgit with an interest rate of 4.5% compounded monthly. The customer has to pay back the loan through monthly payments for 5 years. Find the monthly payment. So before we solve this question, we need to know what topic is this. From what I have read, it talks about annuity. So let's start solve this question. Formula for this question is A equal to R bracket 1 negative bracket 1 plus I negative the power of negative n divide I bracket. From this question, we can see that R is equal to RM 30,000, K equal to 4.5%, M is equal to 12 because it says compounded monthly, and T is equal to 5 years. I is equal to K divide M equal to 0.045 divide 12. N is equal to MT equal to 12 multiply 5 and the answer is 60. So let's continue to solve this question. RM 30,000 is equal to R bracket 1 negative bracket 1 plus 0.045 negative 12 bracket the power of negative 60 divide 0.045 divide 12 and bracket. And the final answer is R equal to RM 559 ringgit and 29 sen. Next is question B. Immediately after paying the 48 payment, the customer decided to settle the balance of the loan. Find the amount to be paid. From this question, it shows that the customer borrowed some money and agreed to pay it back in 60 payments. After making 48 payments, they wanted to pay off everything they still own all at once. We need to figure out how much money they still have to pay. The total number of payments is 60, but the customer already made 48 payments. So the number of payments left is 60 negative 48 equal to 12. The monthly payment is 559 and 29 sen ringgit. We use this formula to calculate the remaining balance. Bracket 1 negative bracket 1 plus 0.045 negative the power of negative 12 divide 0.045 negative 12 bracket. After doing the math, the answer is 6,050 ringgit and 72 sen. So the customer needs to pay 6,550,072 ringgit to settle the loan completely.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Nur Zafran bin Norizan. I am from class 1D. Today we will discuss with you guys about part B, question number 2. So let's look at the question. Danish took a personal loan of 15,000 and paid equal monthly payment for 6 years at an interest rate of 4.4% compounded monthly. So for this question, we will use formula A equals to R bracket 1 minus bracket 1 plus I bracket the power of negative n divide I bracket. So for this question, we got that 15,000 will be our A, 4.4% will be our K, and 6 years will be our T, and compounded monthly will be our M. So we just insert all the information we're given into the formula. Okay, so it will be like this. Then press the calculator, then the answer will be RM 237.42 sen. Okay, then the question, we need to find the monthly payment and the total interest charge. For the interest charge, we will use formula I equals to Rn minus A. So we just insert the information that were given into the formula. So it will be like this: 237.42 sen multiplied with 72 minus 15,000, and the answer will be 2,094.24 sen. Okay, for the next question, question B. If Danish failed to pay the first 4 monthly payment, find the amount she had to pay on the 5th payment to settle the outstanding arrears. So for this question, we will use the formula S equals to R bracket 1 plus I bracket the power of n minus 1 divide I bracket. Okay, So from the question A, we got that R is Rm 237 ringgit 0.42 cent. So we just insert all the information in this formula. So for this question, our M still will be 12 and our T will change into 5 divide 12. So our N will be 12 multiplied with bracket 5 divide 12 bracket. So our N is 5. So we just press the calculator one by one, then the answer will be Rm 1195 ringgit and 84 cent.